How's it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, a triple welcome to you. So guys, it's my birthday weekend. Yay! I had my birthday yesterday on the 18th, and I had so much going on, guys. I just could not edit, I could not upload, but I'm back, and I did something really special, guys. I decided to turn one of my perfume bottles into a birthday cake. So I chose this one, which is the Valentina Rosa Assoluto. So if you would like to see how the cake turned out, then keep on watching. If you like videos that like these, please subscribe to my channel, and let's see what I got up to, guys. So guys, here I'm just covering the bottom part of the cake so that it can stand upright, and then I put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes, and then I proceeded to cover the rest of the cake. Okay, so guys, I advise you cover your sides first before you do the top, so that you are able to hold it in place while you are covering the cake with ganache. Okay, so guys, I decided to cover the cake with white fondant first, because it's actually very difficult shape to cover with fondant. So the idea was, if I made any mistakes, then I'll cover it up with the purple fondant, and you will see me doing this later. Also, I don't know what's wrong with the lighting of my phone, but it picks the purple up as like a brownish plumish color. So it's not actually this color, it's purple, guys. So you just have to trust me on my word. So you will see me now covering it with the purple fondant to cover all of the mistakes. Now you will have to use a little bit of water so that your fondant just sticks to the white fondant. Just using the cake pan here to cut out a perfect circle for the sides of the cake. guys, and you will just have to maneuver a bit with your tools to get a smooth finish, and just to get rid of all the seams in the cake if you don't want them to be seen. But I did the front part of the cake a little bit different than the back part. And please ignore my nails. I had an accident with them whilst they were still a little bit wet, so they look terrible. I know, I'm sorry guys. So guys, I just used the normal kebab stick to try and construct the top part of the perfume bottle, the spray part. Guys, and as you can see, instead of just writing Valentino on the top part or the bottom part of the sprayer, I just made a V because, you know, my name starts with a V. So here's the results, guys. I just gave her a little bit of a steam with my steamer to give her a little bit of a gloss. I think she turned out really pretty. And I'm so happy with her. And I hope you like my cake as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching and always supporting.